Okay, hey everybody, Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. And I'm going to talk about a stock that's $1.87, so you can trade this like a millionaire. So here's especially if you're doing options, right? That's all the more reason to like this stock. But this is my trade on this. I don't own this stock now, but I probably will tomorrow. If the stock runs above, say, 190, you deal in pennies in a stock like this. If the stock runs from here up to $2, for example, that's about a 7% return for a 15% move. So it doesn't take many pennies to make a big difference in your account, particularly since commissions are essentially free. So first of all, my thesis here, look, whether or not the Fed, Schmed, what a bunch of morons they are. Yeah, I said it. If the US government, if we default, that's going to be a big deal. It'll be a big deal and will probably bring a sell-off in the market. I think that's pretty much guaranteed. In that unhappy event, they will figure something out real soon. Things don't just delay. Things don't last too long in that way. And also, all the treasury holders are going to get paid. So anybody who's filling you with any bullspit to the contrary, oh, it's going to be horrible, they're full of crap, or they're full of ignorance, or probably both. This will be a big deal. Don't get me wrong, I'm not minimizing it, but what I'm saying is it's not Armageddon. They will fix it real quick. Okay, fine. So what's the trade here? I think the trade would be crypto, because it is like it's cyber gold. Gold, it's doing real well. It's up at levels that it hadn't been at in several years. I don't pay attention to it because I just have a bunch of it in my safe, and I never have to put in a humidifier or anything like that. It just sits there. So it doesn't really matter to me, but gold is up, substantially, shall we say. It's up really, really nice. But with crypto, I think this could be the go-to play if there is, a big sell-off that way. And it will be brief, by the way. And in my mind, the deeper the sell-off goes, the greater the buying opportunity it is. We're very close to getting to where we're going to be digging ourselves out of this. So I would suggest looking at this. It's up 7.5% tomorrow. Set your alert for $1.90. If the stock runs above $1.90, I think this is a buy. It's pretty volatile. The 50-day moving average is over 8% below where it is right now. And if you have your stop higher than that, your chances of getting stopped out are actually pretty good. So I think the way you trade it is you take a smaller position so you can give this thing a little more room to wiggle. Okay. All right. That's all I got for you, members. I'm updating our active trades. And for Option Market Mentor members, I've updated our trades on OMM as well. So it's all good. Don't be trading a lot, but do focus a lot on trading. So I'll see you guys next time.